Hi, this is Divvy from Divvy Does Disney, and today I'm back with another new video from my new exciting series, Divvy Does Disney in German. And again, this is a way for you to learn different German phrases of what I know that you can use in the EPCOT Germany Pavilion and just to impress your friends and family. Let's get started. So, the sentence we will be learning today is, can I please have this bag of caramel candy? So, you say this by saying, kann ich bitte dieses Tüte Karamellbonbons haben? Now let's say this a lot slower. Kann ich bitte dieses Tüte Karamellbonbons? Karamellbonbons is one word, haben. Let's say it again. Kann ich bitte dieses Tüte Karamellbonbons haben? Now I want you to take a few seconds to say that yourself. And if you need to rewind, then feel free. The more practice you get, the better. Okay, now there's a second way to say this if you want to be a little bit more formal. That way is, könnte ich bitte dieses Tüte Karamellbonbons haben? Now, könnte is the same thing as kann. It's can I, can. So, könnte is just a little bit more fancy. So let's say it again. Könnte ich bitte dieses Tüte Karamellbonbons haben? And one more time. Könnte ich bitte dieses Tüte Karamellbonbons haben? Yep. Diese, sorry, not dieses, diese. Now, I want you to take a few seconds to say that and make sure you don't say dieses, say diese, and practice on your own. Let's say it one more time. Kann ich bitte diese Tüte Karamellbonbons haben? Now that is how you say, can I please have this bag of caramel candies? Oh, and before I forget, don't forget to hit that subscribe button that's down there. This is Divvy from Divvy Does Disney signing off. Bye.